Today I'm going to be reviewing PoweredxCocoa. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. So what exactly is it? It is high in Flavanols and Flavonoids. 1,500 milligrams of Flavanols supports heart, brain health, healthy blood flow with superior antioxidants, boosting oxygen and nutrient delivery throughout the body. Perfect in the morning. You take 1 scoop of this a day. Not recommended to take more than 2. Put it in your oatmeal, put it in your coffee, put it in your hot cocoa. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Now, it is not flavored with sugar, so as you know, cocoa powder can be bitter. So just by itself, that may not be as palatable, but in your coffee and a protein shake, you're going to get this high-powered antioxidant formula here. By taking this once a day, you're going to have better mood, cardio health, muscle recovery, and it will support nitric oxide levels. Best of all, most important of all, this is an Amazon choice, 4.5 stars. And last month, 800 plus of these were bought. I'm not seeing these get returned. People are liking them. Support the small businesses out there like PoweredxPlants. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.